One of the questions I get from time to time is, yeah, we cover it during training, but I can imagine it's not the first thing you encounter, so people tend to forget things. It's normal. Is how to produce DXF or DWG drawings. So first of all, what you have to do is produce the drawings themselves. So you would have to go to Output, Drawing Automatic, Shop Drawing, for example, or Single Parts. We'd produce all of them. And once that is done, we head for File, Interface, Export. This single, I'll switch it off since I want to convert more than one file. I choose the folder, Plots, all my drawings are there, but I have to go to Shop. Okay. I'm working, in this project anyway, I'm working with imperial units. If you're working metric, you switch this one off. Embed images in case you have JPEGs. The text style BMF means the text style will remain like the original, but if you want to change to any other font, just choose from the list or type in whatever font you want. If you have any specific language codings, you can choose the coding you need. I need Western European. Target directory would be in case you would like to place the resulting DWGs or DXF in a different folder. And speaking DXF to DWG, I need DWG. We can set certain layers, we can define certain colors and line types. No preview. We export the whole thing. And when it's done, we just go Ctrl E on the keyboard, go to the existing job, and Plots, Shop, and then we'll see over here all the DWGs of each and every drawing.